Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 4 of our video series in which we are learning Korean nature words. If you have not watched the first 3 parts of the series, you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So let's start with the part 4. First comes the Korean word for earth, and that is 지구. 지구. Okay, now comes the Korean word for ecosystem, and that is 생태계. 생태계. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for rainforest, and that is 우림. 우림. Next comes the Korean word for glacier, and that is 빙하. 빙하. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for fire, and that is 불. 불. Remember, the Korean word for water is 물, and for fire is 불. Okay, they are very similar. Next comes the Korean word for bay, and that is 만. 만. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for pond, and that is 못. 못. Okay, now let's see the Korean translation of the word peninsula, and that is 반도. 반도. Okay, next comes the Korean word for wave, and that is 파도. 파도. The last one is the Korean word for swamp, and that is 늪. 늪. Okay, so today we learned 10 nature related Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.